Hello and welcome to today's video about how to achieve success in life. We all have different ideas of what success means, but one thing we can all agree on is that it takes hard work, determination, and persistence to achieve it. This video, we'll explore some of the key principles that will help you achieve success. The first step to success is defining your goals. What do you want to achieve in life? Is it financial freedom, personal fulfillment, or professional success? Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, you can create a roadmap to success. Creating a plan is the second step to success. A plan helps you stay focused and motivated, and it ensures that you're making progress towards your goals. Your plan should be realistic and achievable. Taking action is the third step to success. No plan is complete without action, and success requires consistent action towards your goals. You need to be willing to take risks, step out of your comfort zone, and embrace failure as a learning opportunity. The key is to keep moving forward, even when faced with obstacles. Staying motivated is the fourth step to success. Motivation is what keeps you going when things get tough. You can stay motivated by focusing on the big picture, surrounding yourself with positive people, and celebrating small victories along the way. Learning from failure is the fifth step to success. Failure is inevitable, but it's also a valuable learning experience. When you fail, take the time to reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve. In conclusion, achieving success in life requires defining your goals, creating a plan, taking action, staying motivated, and learning from failure. Remember, success is not a destination, but a journey. It takes hard work, determination, and persistence, but the rewards are worth it. So go out there and start working towards your dreams, and remember that success is achievable if you're willing to put in the effort. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel.